Hey, big Vortex shipping day today. We've got an unboxing video. This video right now, we're going to unbox these Diamondback 10x42 binoculars. We just did one where we unboxed the Diamondback Tactical 4-16x44 scope, and we also got the Radion carbon tripod. So let's get after it. 10x42s right here. Let's see what we get in the box. Nice case, binoculars inside, I hope. That's what it feels like. Neck strap. The shoulder straps for the binocular case. What else? Cleaning cloth, comes in handy. Instruction manual for the binoculars, and an instruction manual for the case and how to rig this guy up with this guy if you want to wear it on the front of you. So, what we all came to see here, let's take a look at the binoculars. A nice padded case. Diamondback 10x42 HD. Come with cap for the eyepieces. The eye cups twist up. Diopter adjustment right here, so you can get both eyes synced up. And then we got the objective covers over here. So, flip those down. Focus, center focus adjustment right there. Hit that with your pointer finger. Yeah, they'll do. Nice little compact size, nice fit and feel in hand. I like them. Affordable. They'll go right inside the bow pack or riding around in the pickup just fine. All right. If you want to see the unboxing for the Diamondback Tactical 4-16x44 rifle scope, that'll be in the description below. Also, the Radion carbon tripod, if you want to check that out. Thanks.